I knew that petition would be coming 3 days ago, and that is the time I had and I knew it was being finalized. This petition was to be followed by another petition seeking to challenge or review the decision of the Supreme Court. You will see soon, either today or tomorrow, that one will also be going in. Now, Wambugu, if you remember, is the MP for Nyeri Town. The president is in that constituency today. I also know of instructions which were given to him that he could not be at Nyeri to receive the president unless he had the petition already lodged. So I think we are mentioning the name Ngunjiri for far too long. This is a petition of President Uhuru Kenyatta against Maraga. And Kenyans should not forget how the president received the decision of the Supreme Court. He said he was going to fix Judge Maraga and the other members of the Supreme Court. And I know our people have not forgotten that. And he said he would revisit it. What I would request of Kenyans is that let them not look at that petition, look at the grounds in it, and say these grounds are not serious, this cannot go anywhere. Remember, Uhuru is this president who had the privilege of appointing new members of the Judicial Service Commission. So look at the membership of the Judicial Service Commission, put it together to the threat Uhuru gave Chief Justice Maraga on that decision, and no, this is the president. Some people are saying Judicial Service Commission will be independent. Some people are saying even Parliament can be independent. But I can tell you, if there is one hallmark of Jubilee, it has been that they don't respect the independence of institutions. None is working as we speak. And I want to warn Kenya that the only institution that remains independent that we remain with is the judiciary. You blink, you flinch, before you know it, Chief Justice Maraga would be gone. Not for doing anything bad, but for doing a decision for which our democracy and its progress are being praised the world over. I can tell you, I've been in this parliament. I've seen a Jubilee administration under Uhuru Kenyatta bring petitions here for removal of state officers, which truly going through them, you see nothing. But ultimately, those people are removed. So we must be very careful not to undermine the independence of the judiciary because Uhuru Kenyatta is unhappy at so sound a decision made by the Supreme Court.
Just looking at it, it's coming up. I've seen also members from the Kisii and Nyamira counties also expressing their fury over this particular petition, and are saying that they want either Ngunjiri to withdraw that petition before the Judicial Service Commission, and or they'll be enjoined the case. It appears they are saying that it's just coming almost less than 24 hours after the delegation from Kisii and Nyamira met the president at State House Nakuru.
When the president threatened to persecute Chief Justice Maraga for a decision, which mistakenly, you know, that is a decision of the court. Maraga has no leverage over the other judges. They have their judicial independence over their decisions. In law, we call it the decisional independence of a judicial officer. And remember, even if Chief Justice Maraga did not participate in that decision like Ibrahim, it was still 3 against 2. So either way, that decision was going to be made in the manner it was made. But you remember these threats, come. Remember, Uhuru was not making those threats, not knowing the procedure in law for removal of the CJ. And Uhuru knew that in Judicial Service Commission, he now has Winnie Gooch, who was his agent last time. He has Bet, whom they rammed down our throats here. You remember, as representatives there, you have Kobe and those other people. Essentially, we are in a situation where the president has taken Maraga there to be chopped for being annoyed by the decision.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.